Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss comprehensive problems. Page number 61, illustration number 17. From the following receipts and payments account of Friends Football Club for the year ended 31st March 2017. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2017 and the balance sheet as on the date. In the books of Friends Football Club, receipts and payments account. Receipt side started with opening balance of cash in hand and opening balance of cash at bank 1000, 10,000, 11,000. To subscription 5,000. Legacy 6,000. Collection for special dinner 2,000. Then payment side. Buy furniture 7,000. Buy sports material purchase 800. Buy special dinner expenses 1,500. Buy electricity charge 900. Buy balance carried on, that is closing balance of cash in hand and the closing balance of cash at bank, total 13,800, both side total 24,000. See, out of this information we are going to identify which item will appear at income and expenditure account, which item will appear at balance sheet. In income and expenditure account, revenue receipt and revenue expenditure alone appear. Particularly, current year receipt alone appear. See, once again I remind you, in income and expenditure account, only revenue receipt and revenue expenditure alone appear. If any capital receipt or capital expenditure available in this problem, it should be transferred to balance sheet. Capital receipt transferred to liability side and capital expenditure transferred to asset side. First we identify which one is revenue receipt, which one is revenue expenditure, which one is capital receipt, which one is capital expenditure. First, subscription. Subscription. Now the football club collect subscription from every members once in a year or once in a month. It is a recurring nature. It should be treated as a revenue receipt. It should be appear on the income side of the income and expenditure account. Legacy. Legacy means gift left by will. It is a capital receipt. It should be appear on the liability side of the balance sheet. Collection for special dinner. This amount collected from members of the football club for special dinner. It is a recurring nature. It should be appear on the income side of the income and expenditure account. Then furniture. Furniture is an asset. Furniture purchase is a capital expenditure. It should be appear on the asset side of the balance sheet. Sports material purchased. It is a recurring nature. Every year we are going to buy some amount of sports material for club. It is a recurring nature. It is a revenue expenditure. It should be appear on the expenditure side of the income and expenditure account. Special dinner expense also recurring nature, revenue expenditure. It should be appear on the expenditure side of the income and expenditure account. Electricity charges also to be treated as a revenue expenditure. It should be appear on the expenditure side of the income and expenditure account. Then closing balance of cash in hand and closing balance of cash at bank. These two items will appear at a asset side of the balance sheet because closing cash in hand and closing cash at bank to be treated as an asset. It should be appear on the asset side of the balance sheet. See, some of the additional information. The club had a furniture of 12,000 on 1st April 2016. Ignore depreciation on furniture. Subscription outstanding 1617 600. Stock of sports material 31st March 2017. Capital fund as on 1st April 2016 23,000. These information are also taken into account at the time of preparing income and expenditure account and balance sheet. See, balance sheet to be appear, furniture to be appear in the asset side of the balance sheet. Then subscription are outstanding. A portion of subscription still not received by the football club. It should be treated as accrued but not yet received. It should be treated as income. it should be appear on the income side of the income and expenditure account, and again it will appear on the asset side of the balance sheet, and again it will appear on the asset side of the balance sheet. Then stock of sports material, that is a closing stock. Opening stock plus purchase less closing stock. But in this problem, there is no opening stock. Stock during the year purchased available. Now we add this or subtract, and the remaining to be treated as a sports material consumed. Capital fund, it should be appear on the liability side of the balance sheet. First we are going to prepare income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account is a nominal account category. All expenses and losses are debited. All incomes and gains are credited. In income and expenditure account, only revenue expenditure and revenue receipt alone appear. Particularly, current year receipt and current year expenditure alone appear. Okay. Now, sports material. See, sports material purchased 8,000. The closing stock of sports material 1,000. It should be subtracted, and remaining 7,000 worth of sports material are consumed. Special dinner expense, also revenue expenditure, it should be appear on the expenditure side of the income and expenditure account. Electricity charge, revenue expenditure, it should be appear on the expenditure side of the income and expenditure account. Then subscription received during the year 5,000. Then 6,600 still not received, accrued but not yet received. It should be added along with 5,000. Total 5,600 to be appear on the outer column of the income side of the income and expenditure account. Collection of special dinner income, it should be appear on the income side of the income and expenditure account. Then we are going to put the total. First we check which side is the highest amount, that is income side. First we put the total on income side. The same total also to be appear on the opposite side. The difference rupees 4,500 to be treated as surplus. That is excess of income over expenditure. These surplus also transferred to balance sheet. See, capital fund 23,000. Add surplus 4,500. 27,500. Already I said legacy is a capital receipt. It should be appear on the liability side of the balance sheet. Then what are the items to be appear in the asset side? Furniture purchased 12,000. Sorry, opening balance of furniture 12,000. Now purchase additional purchase 7,000. It should be added along with the 12,000. Total 19,000 to be shown on the outer column. Stock of sports material, that is after consumption remaining stock at the end of the accounting period are called closing stock. It should be appear on the asset side of the balance sheet. Subscription outstanding. See, 600 subscription still not received during the accounting period. It should be appear on the asset side of the balance sheet. Then closing balance of cash in hand and closing balance of cash at bank. Now we are going to put the total both sides, 33,500 and 33,500. This is the format with the help of receipts and payments account and additional information. Now we prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet. First we are going to prepare the income and expenditure account because the surplus amount transferred to balance sheet liability side. Okay, are you clear? Then illustration number 18. Following is the receipts and payments account of Salem Recreation Club for the year ending 31st March 2019. Receipt side, payment side. See, two balance brought out, that is opening balance of cash in hand 9,000. Subscription total 12,900. For current year 12,500. Then subsequent year subscription 400. Total 12,900. Proceeds from entertainment receipt 12,000, sundry receipt 500, then furniture 15,000, stationery 2,400, investment 12,500, postage 1,000, closing balance of cash in hand 3,500. So, additional information. There are 450 members each paying annual subscription 30. Stock of stationery on 31st March 18, 300 and 31st March 19, 500. Capital fund on 1st April 2018, 9,300. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and the balance sheet as on the date. So, first we go through the problem. Before preparing income and expenditure account and balance sheet, what are the items to be appear in the income and expenditure account? What are the items to be appear in the balance sheet? See, in income and expenditure account, only revenue receipt and revenue expenditure alone appear. Particularly, current year receipt and current year expenditure alone taken into account. Okay, first we are going to prepare the income and expenditure account. See, calculation of subscription to be received for the year 1819, that is current accounting period, 1st April 2018 to 31st March 2019. Subscription for the current year, 450 members. Each member has to pay 30. 450 into 30, 13,500. Instead of 13,500, now we received 12,500. Remaining 1,000 to be treated as accrued but not yet received. Okay, this is the calculation. Current year subscription 13,500. Instead of 13,500, we received only 12,500. 1,000 to be treated as accrued but not yet received. It should be added along with the 12,500 on income side of the income and expenditure account, and again the same 1,000 to be appear on the asset side of the balance sheet. Okay, now we are going to prepare the income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019. First one, expenditure side. See, out of this item, stationery, postage, these two items alone appear in the income and expenditure account on expenditure side. See, stationery, stock of stationery on 1st April, that is 31st March 2018, that is previous year closing, this year opening, that is opening stock of stationery 300. Add purchase during the year 2,400. It should be added. Total 2,700 worth stationery available. At the end of the year, 500 worth stationery alone remaining. It should be subtracted. So remaining 2,200 worth stationery to be consumed. So opening stock of stationery 300, add purchase during the year, less closing stock. Now we know about how much worth stationery are consumed. Then postage. Only two more items alone appear in the expenditure side of the income and expenditure account. Then income side. See, subscription. Total subscription 12,900. Out of 12,900, 400 belongs to subsequent year. It should be subtracted. See, income side, total after subtraction 12,500, then 1,000 still not received. See, 13,500, 12,500, 1,000 alone still not received by the recreation club. It should be added along with the 12,500 because this amount belongs to current accounting period. Total 13,500. And proceeds from entertainment 12,000 and sundry receipt 500. Then we are going to close the account. Which side is the highest amount? Income side is the highest amount. First we put the total on income side 26,000. The same 26,000 also appear on the expenditure side. The difference between these two items 22,800 to be treated as excess of income over expenditure, that is surplus. That is surplus means excess of income over expenditure. These surplus should be transferred to balance sheet liability side because these surplus added along with the opening capital fund. Then we are going to prepare balance sheet. See, the balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Capital fund. Already I said capital fund 9,300. So 9,300 add surplus 22,800, total 32,100. Okay, then see the problem. Subscription received 1819 and 1920. This subscription belongs to next accounting period. Subscription received in advance. It should be shown on the liability side of the balance sheet because this amount not belongs to current accounting period. This amount belongs to subsequent year. So received in advance to be treated as a liability. So it should be appear on the liability side of the balance sheet. Then furniture. Furniture, see the book value 15,000. The same 15,000 to be appear. Furniture 15,000. Investment asset 12,500. Subscription arrear. Current year subscription 1,000 still not received. 1,000. Then closing stock of stationery 500. And cash in hand 3,500 to be treated as asset. So these item also appear on the asset side of the balance sheet. Then we are going to put the total. Now both side total 32,500. Recording this about two illustration. If you have any doubt, please ask me through phone number. Then today class is over. We will see tomorrow later. Thank you.